So hello guys, today in this video we are going to show how to install Cisco Packet Tracer in Ubuntu. So at first open any browser. So I am here opening Microsoft Edge, then search for Cisco Packet Tracer. Download, then enter. So you have to go this page, computer networking notes, then click on the download Packet Tracer 9.11 version. Then here we are going to download the latest version for the Linux. Then click in the second link which says the Cisco Packet Tracer 9.0.0 download link for Linux 64-bit edition. Then save the download. So I have already downloaded, that's why I pause it. So let's go to my download folder. Here you can see this Cisco Packet Tracer 900 underscore ubuntu.db. So this package is installed in my download folder. Then right click anywhere in this folder, then open in terminal. So as you can see here, so here you can see the Cisco Packet Tracer ubuntu.db. Then right click and copy the file name, then run sudo apt install /Cisco Packet Tracer www, then press enter. Then as you can see, download is started, installation is started. It's going to take some time. Okay, now Cisco Packet, let's go to check for it if it is installed or not. Here search for Cisco Packet Tracer. So as you can see here, the icon showing of the Cisco Packet Tracer, then click on it, open it. It's going to take some time. Okay, now it's opening. So I am going to you have to use the Cisco Packet Tracer, you must have a Cisco Network Academy account. So here I am. Now if you don't have an account, you can go for sign up, or you can sign up through Google. Okay, so I have already an account, so let's log in. So I have already an account, that's why I'm not going to create another one. So I'm going for login. So as you can see here, I am already logged in. So I'm close the browser, and here I am in the Cisco Packet Tracer, inside the Cisco Packet Tracer. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video.